This magical word trap effect will get you hooked. Join me and I will show you how to achieve this beautiful transition. Let's go. Record a background clip featuring the wall for a few seconds. In your recording, jump towards the wall and act as if you are scared and trapped inside it, okay? At the moment where you knock on the air, okay? So, import the clip to CapCut. So the next thing to do is to split the clip at the moment you jump, okay? Just split it, just like this. Split it and remove the background, okay? Go to BG and click on auto removal, okay? And allow it to apply. This will take just few seconds. So just wait for it to apply. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and follow. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to go to overlay. Go to overlay and click on overlay. Okay, and again, remove that CapCut watermark. Okay, remove it and duplicate the background. Duplicate the background and then click on the overlaid clip. Click on it and go to splice. Okay, so click on overlay, but I tried out so many options. There are so many options, but click on overlay. The next thing to do is to go to mask. Okay, click on mask and click on horizontal. So now lightly mask off your legs, okay? Just start masking from your footwear so the effect appears natural as if you are trapped against the wall, okay? So you have to use the mask line until you achieve a very beautiful and smooth effect. And again, do not click on the feather, no, just this is okay. Okay, so the next thing to do right now is to go to the end and split and delete the excess parts, or you can just drag it back. Okay, just go back and make sure that the two videos are same level. Make sure that the two videos are same size. So this is it. To give your video a unique and beautiful effect, go to effect and type in shake effect, okay? There are so many shake options here. So you just have to choose the one that you like. So there are so many shake options. Go to effect and type in shake effect. So there are so many options. So take the one that you think that is okay for you. Okay, so select it and apply, but just make it to be only that moment that you jumped. It shouldn't be long, just a little effect. So right now you can duplicate and insert that same shake effect to the moment where you knocked. Or if you don't like that, like mine, I didn't like the shake effect, so I had to go back to the shake effect and select another shake effect that suits that knocking moment, okay? Just apply it again, the moment where you knocked, okay? Also make the shake effect to be just little. Don't make it long, it should be only that moment that you knocked, okay? Just like I did on the first one, okay? So I love showing every details. Like this one, I didn't like this shake effect, so I went back and searched and selected the one that I think was okay for me. So you have to, you have to just try out this first one. You have to try out so many options till you get an effect that you think that is very, very okay for you. And also make the effect to be very short. It should only be the moment where you knocked. So when you are done with this, proceed to sound effects. When you get to sound effects, type in jump sound. Okay, there are so many options, and then you select the one that you want. Once you see any sound that you like, you just click on the plus sign. But first of all, just click on it to listen to the sound. Okay, once you like it, just click on the plus sign and we insert. So the next thing, go to the moment where you are knocking, okay, and also type in knocking sound or knock sound, just anyone. Then it will bring out so many options, and you just listen to them and click on the plus sign when you see the one that to like, and it will automatically insert itself. Okay, so this is it. It's a very simple thing to do. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing editing skills like this. Okay, please like this video, share this video, follow and subscribe for more. Once you are done, click on export and you are good to go.